Yeah, we gotta wait. We're not quite ready.
Okay.
We just gotta get queued up, but...
Bueno, esta va a ser la verdadera prueba de manejo con uno de los ingenieros que desarrolló el vehículo y como no pudimos hacer una vuelta completa a velocidad aquí en la pista, ahora lo vamos a hacer con un verdadero experto que sabe, no solamente conoce el auto, sino que también domina la pista y sabe todos los sistemas.
The system, right?
What's that?
What is it? Does this have to have the cord coming out of the suspension right there for the hot laps cars?
Why is that?
That's what they've been doing. All the special ones. There's two that don't have the.
Just because it's an FE3?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay.
I mean, I think they didn't want the students driving without PTM.
Fine. Totally fine.
It's okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Alright, just waiting for the green light here.
Yeah.
What is this? Or is it just
That's the if you get sick bag.
Oh, okay.
Alright, you ready now?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. So far, pretty good?
Yeah, really good.
Fun car.
Absolutely, congratulations, great job.
I feel pretty lucky to be able to be one of the ones that get to work on it.
I know. Así que ahí lo tienen. Así es como se maneja Chevrolet Corvette Stingray 2020. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you. Twist my arm.
Yeah.